Coffee time, coffee time, coffee time, coffee time, coffee time. This is how to do your coffee and Fetco machine. This is how to make coffee here. This is how to make coffee on Fetco machine. Easy peasy. So coffee coming ready for this way. This side. So for me to, I don't have to wait for a long time to get a coffee because it's gonna be ready in 5 minutes. So I don't need 5 minutes to get my coffee. So I got my coffee quick. I remove that thing, that's it. My coffee ready. I don't have to wait 5 minutes. So my coffee coming this way. Ready to start my morning. Look at the coffee, guys. Look at the pure coffee from Whole Foods Market. I love that coffee. Morning bed, but look at the coffee, like, guy, look at that coffee. Guy, look at that coffee. Nice. I love it.